So you're looking for a side dish for Thanksgiving? I thought I'd try this one only because you can make it in advance, and at the last minute when you pull the turkey out, you have the opportunity to throw this in the oven for about 30 minutes. So what I have here is a half a pound of rutabaga, a half a pound of parsnips, and a half a pound of carrots, all chopped up. I've thrown them in boiling hot water with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm not exactly sure why it told me to do 3 individual ones, but I put them all together. I'm cooking them up. And it should take 5 to 7 minutes when it's fork tender. So I drained it, I cooled it. I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer until the night before Thanksgiving. I'll take it out, thaw it, and when I decide to, when I come up turkey out of the oven, I will then put a 1/4 cup, an 1/8 to a 1/4 cup of olive oil in the pan, some basil, look at the recipe and I'll give it to you. Basil, salt and pepper, fresh parsley to top it off when you're all done. It's in the oven at 425 for 30 minutes. Keep turning it because it'll roast. And it's a great side dish and something you don't have to worry about last minute at Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.